I love RYANMADE cookies.
We love RYANMADE cookies. Here's why.
Hi everyone, my name is Ryan. I am 21 years old and I am from Petaling Jaya, Malaysia. I have handmade my cookies with a lot of love and kindness using high quality ingredients to give my friends and family a crunchy and tasty premium cookie munching experience at an affordable price. I started the cookies business to challenge myself and to break the stereotype that unique people like me can't contribute to society. As I have learning challenges and it has not been easy to learn, so my parents suggested that I should try something hands-on to develop my entrepreneurial skills. As I have family members in the baking business, it was natural for my family to suggest that I learn this business, so I took the plunge. Although it was not easy in the beginning, but through many tries, today I have mastered the art of baking cookies. I hope you will give me a fighting chance to make a difference to others. Please support my brand of RYANMADE cookies and inspire others like me to contribute to society. I hope to handmade healthier cookies for people like me who can't take too much sweetness. I also hope to contribute part of my profit to the development of others, young and differently able entrepreneurs. I would like to inspire youth like me to take the plunge to be enterprising and contribute to society in their unique ways.